Hello friends, welcome to KSP Academy. Last class we discussed to find the solution of two equations in two variables. Graphical is over, graphical method already over. Algebraic expressions method. In the algebraic method we have two methods. One is first we started substitution method, elimination method. Third one is cross multiplication method. Now today we have to see the cross multiplication, how to solve the given question by using of a cross multiplication method. Let us take, I'll explain the method first of all how to do the cross multiplication, then I'll take an example and look at it. So let us take the problem how should be the a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. The question should be like this model, two equations, two variables. After that, please check your conditions. I think I was told you conditions. A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. The comparative ratios, please find it out. So check it out. A1 by A2 and B1 by B2, C1 by C2. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, I think we know unique solution. Unique solution. The system consisting of unique solution, then only we can go for the cross multiplication method. If it is for no solution and infinite number of solutions, we cannot apply the cross multiplication method. We can assumption of y values, you can get the x number of infinite solutions. That is different case. So whenever a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, the equation having a unique number of solutions, then start you can apply your method. So in the cross multiplication method, how you have to do is, first let us, the given equation you have to write is equal to 0. If constants on that side, please make it constant left, make it 0. So the equation is equal to 0. All components should be left. Two equations. And after that, first of all, what you have to write down, the things are very important. First write here, first equation quotient. First equations are y quotient. Here write first b1. First write b1. Then after second constant quotient c1, then after again the b1 c1, then after you can write a1, then again you can copy b1. Then after that, second the b2 you can write second line, here b2, next after constant c2, next constant a2, next constant b2. Please arrange your constants according to the quotients of x and y and constant. Arrange this. First y quotient, constant, x quotient, then again y quotient. Second same y quotient, constant, x quotient, constant. After writing this, now write this is a x phenomena, this is y phenomena, this is constant. So in this, after writing this, next what you have to write for solution approach is x by these two you can multiply. A and b1 into c2, these two multiply. b1 c2 is equal to, and after you can do multiply. This is 1, this is second. After b1 c2 minus c1 b2. And after is equal to, next go for y constant, y by same thing, this you write c1 a2 minus, this is second one, a1 c2. When is equal to write a constant term 1 by, this you multiply a1 b2 minus b1 a2 or a2 b1. This is the case. So first x by this 2 multiply and minus this one is equal to y by this and equal. Then after 1 by this minus, then after this you can write it. After this will be possessing a constant value, x by something, y by something. If the equations are same, first case this x you are equal to y, x constant you are equal to 1. So what you have to write down? First case 1, x by b1 c2 minus c1 b2 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, case 1. So from this you can write directly x is equal to b1 c2 minus c1 b2 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is the formula. So case 2 also there, this you are equated to this one, case 2 case. So what are you getting? Y by C1A2 minus C2A1 is equal to constant A1B2 minus B1A2. This is a method. Next, Y value is equal to, what is correct? C1A2 minus A1C2 by this constant A1B2 minus B1C2. This is the Y values. So this is what procedure how to apply for any kind of problem. You get x is equal to some constant, y is equal to. These are the x and y values for a given questions. So if you wanted to understand, let us I take a one problem, then I will apply the same method for this. Example, I should take a problem. 2x plus, please tell me the problem. 2x plus y is equal to 5. After 3x plus 2y is equal to how much now? 8. So this is a question. But when I am writing the question, you should be very clear it is. The question is not equal to 0. So you should rewrite the question. So rewriting the question is 2x plus y, that is the sign, minus 5 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. This is the case. After writing the condition, please check the condition this one. So 2 by 3 is not equal to 1 by 2. 2 by 3 and 1 by 2 both are not equal, it having unique solution. So when you have a unique solution, method you can apply, no more questions. Start applying B1, C1, A1, B1. What is the B1 quotient? Is 1. B1 quotient is how much? It is 1. And after constant minus 5, 2, then again it is 1. Next, here it is 2, the last also will come 2, then after minus 8, then after 3. This is the way of approaching. After writing of this is x term, this is y term, this is the constant term. So what is the item? X by, this you multiply, 1 into minus 8, minus 8, minus 5 to the 10, minus 10, automatically become plus 10, minus of minus, is equal to y by 5 3 is 15, minus is the minus 15, minus 8 2 is 16, minus 16, already it is there, become plus 16. Then is equal to constant 1 by 2 2 is 4, 3 1 is 3. According to this, I should multiply it. After simplify this one, x by 2, y by 1, 1 by 1. Whatever to get x, x will equal to this one. So x by 2 is equal to 1 by 1. Case 1. So y by 1 is equal to 1 by 1. We can directly answer x is equal to this 2 over 2 by 1, then x is equal to 2 your answer. And after y is equal to 1 by 1, we can write y is equal to 1. So getting x is equal to y equal to answers by approaching the cross multiplication method. This is the way of the multiplication method. By this method, I was applied. This is a general method. I was explained. You can apply direct method. If you remember, please directly remember the formula. You can apply, but no need to remember. Understand the method, and you can do it your own. It's very easy. So after getting your answers are correct or not, you have check procedure. What you have to take equation substitute it is. 2 equation plus 5 is equal to 5. Check it out. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. So 2 into 2 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Answer is correct only. Then 3x plus 2y is equal to x. Substitute it is x equal to 2. 3 2 is plus 2 into 1. 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 2. Answer is 8. Answer is correct. Therefore, your answer is verified. So method you need to understand. First check it is unique solution. Then apply B1, C1, A1, B1, B1, C1, A1, B1, B2, C2, A2, B2. X, Y, this and this, like A, B, C, D position, AD minus BC like that. Start applying. After this equal to constant and x equal to constant, you will get x and y values. This is a little famous method. When you are getting the complex problem, you can easily solve it. Very clear it is. Thanks for watching. Keep continuing for next videos for next classes.